What did you think about the way we edited the interview with you?
I didn't like it. I think it was deceitful.
Yes, but don't you think we did a good job?
I don't know. What do you consider a good job?
We wanted to discredit you. Don't you think we were successful?
No, I think people will see through it. I think what you did was too obvious.
That is crazy. I think you're a crazy man. I think you should have your head examined.
You think I'm crazy?
Absolutely. You are crazy and you have crazy ideas.
What is so crazy about them?
The ideas of people noticing, having reason, and being self-reliant are crazy.
But why are they crazy?
Because we the establishment have been manipulating public opinion for decades. There's no scientific evidence that people can think for themselves, or that they can even notice what is going on around them, and we don't think they are ever going to notice either.
Why is that?
Because we keep them busy, entertained, and sedated, and on top of that we make sure they thank us for it. We have also made sure that they rely on us for information, and that they believe we are a truthful authority. On top of that we make sure that they are never self-reliant, that they always look for a savior, and that we will always be the one to provide that savior, while making sure that they think they chose him. You see, the system works. Trying to change it is proof of how crazy you are.
You said the system works. Why do you say it works? Who is it working for?
What do you mean? It works for us, of course. The ones in charge.
And the people? What about their needs?
I don't know. I'm not the people, I'm the establishment. I need to take care of myself. I need to put food on my table, and make sure my kids have cars and houses and a comfortable life. What's wrong with you? Have you no compassion? You really need to stop this. You are ruining it for the rest of us. We can't let you do this.
Why not?
Because we have worked too hard to create this system, and this system works for us. Do you know how many years it took me to establish my authority as a journalist? Do you know how many years it took me to get in on the group that controls the media, the banks, politicians, the armed forces? Do you know how many years it takes to put a system in place to control public opinion? Have you ever tried to create such a system? Do you know how much work it takes?
No.
Well, let me tell you, you crazy old man. It takes a lot of years, and delicate planning to make sure people are scared and reliant. It takes years to learn how to present information that looks truthful enough so that they feel that they choose the things you want them to choose. Altogether thinking that this all in their best interest.
That's impressive.
I know. That's why you need to stop what you are doing. What you are doing is very dangerous.
Why?
Because you are preventing growth.
Whose growth?
The growth of the establishment, of course. The growth of the government, the media, the banks, and the military-industrial complex. It is crazy to promote the idea that people should be self-reliant, and should know how to take care of themselves. It is wrong and dangerous.
What is wrong with that? Why do you consider that dangerous?
You don't understand. If the people become self-reliant, they will not be dependent on the establishment as much. This takes power away from the establishment. Why do you think we are called the establishment?
Why?
It is because we work hard at establishing our authority. Your crazy ideas are undermining our hard work. This is very dangerous.
I don't think I can help you. It is a matter of principle.
I agree, and your principles conflict with ours, and we are prepared to fight you for it.
You have principles? I am surprised. I didn't think you had any.
Yes, we do.
What are they?
The principle of establishing our authority, undermining yours, controlling public opinion and making money. We like our principles and we think you should agree with us.
I'm sorry. It is not my job to agree with you. My job is to make sure we all remain free to disagree. I think I need to go now. Thanks you and goodbye.
Wait. Do you think I did a good job at discrediting you during this conversation?
I don't know. I need to go.
Do you not think it is a fair question?
I don't know. You seem to need a lot of attention. Perhaps you are lonely, or feel unloved. I cannot help you. I need to go. Goodbye.
But what about my question? Don't you think it's a fair question?
I need to go. Goodbye.
But wait. Come back here, you crazy old man. I want to ask my question at least 3 more times. Where are you going?